What's going on here?
What's going on here? I mean, it's all Kalemegdan Park, but we call it upper and lower Kalemegdan. And this one is a lower part, it's quite near the river. For example, this is the remains of Ottoman's hammam, Turkish bath, and nowadays it's planetarium. This is the remains of from the medieval ages, metropolia. That actually was like a Serbian Orthodox Christian church. And here we have two churches, a very old one, and this town actually is devoted to the Mother of God. And this one is Saint Petka, and another one we call it River Sava. As you can see, it's a new part of Belgrade, and the 1 square meter is 3,500 euros at least, because it's in a very beautiful position. And